Okie dokie. So what we're going to be looking at is how to analyze any real estate market, whether you're an expert on that particular market or not, like a zip code or a city or a neighborhood or an entire county, very easily using RealDAX. The way that you're going to access the market report is by going into RealDAX here in your homepage, and you're going to click on the Markets app here. Alternatively, you can also come here into the main menu and click on real estate and then hit on markets. And that's going to take you into the real estate markets dashboard. Okay, and I want to make a couple of points here on how you can navigate this. There is a market selector on the top where you can change the market at any time. So you can type a neighborhood, a city, a county, a zip code. So if I type 33162, that will give me all of the analytics for 33162. You can change here between any kind of property or only homes or only condos or only multifamily. And you can look at the trends and market statistics for the last 6 months, the last 1 year, or the last 3 years. Okay. Now, like I said, you can look at this for like an entire county. So if you want to like analyze what's going on in the entire Miami-Dade County, you can do that as well. Clearly, the more general, the more smooth the data is, and the more specific, the smaller the sample, the more accurate you'll be looking at when analyzing this with a customer. Realtors and professionals use this all the time when they are doing analysis on a listing presentation, when they are trying to analyze what are the entry and exit points for putting down an offer in a particular market. And usually you kind of analyze this in front of a client, either with an iPad or through a Zoom meeting or in whichever way you interact with your clients the most. But it's a way to do this in a live and dynamic way where you don't have to have some sort of like pre-printed material, and it is very interactive and dynamic. Okay. So a couple of things that you will be able to see here. Once you have set your filters, like the market that you're analyzing, whether you want to do every single property or only homes or condos, multifamilies, and the time frame, you're going to see here that you have a couple of statistics here. The median list price per square feet, what are the total number of sales, and what is the average days on market that this particular market is experiencing. Now now down here at the bottom, you have three different kind of lines in the chart, and you can turn some of those off. So, for example, this is the median listing price. It looks like from April last year, it kind of had a little bit of a dip into July, and then prices really went up and up and up and up and up until like February 2020, at which point it really started to come down very hard into April. So you can compare that, for example, with the median listing price for everything that was actually sold. So you're looking right now, this pink line is every single listing, whether it's sold or not. So this is what every realtor has been deciding to list their homes. Okay. And now you're looking here at what every single realtor actually sold their properties. Okay, so you see, for example, we're looking right now at the month of February, and you can actually click on pretty much any month, and you can see how your actual details panel here kind of updates with everything in there. So what you're looking at here is that every single realtor decided to list property in average in all of Miami-Dade County at about $260 per square foot. And then, but the actual smart realtors that listed their homes ready to be sold, like they priced their property well, they actually listed way below what all the other ones listed at. So everybody else, like kind of your average realtor, listed at 260, where the smart realtors listed at 236. So right there already, you have quite a bit of a difference. Now, these people that listed at 236, they were well aware that the median sale price in Miami-Dade County was about 222. That's why they listed it in such a way that they can negotiate something that is not so abrupt. And you can see that if you turn off the median listing price for a single listing and then turn on what is the actual sale price, there's a very close correlation between what the houses get listed at and what the houses get sold at. And that difference is what we call the median discount. And if you see, like all throughout time, we're going all the way back to May 2019, so a year away. This is like 6.24, 6.69, 5.92, 4.92, 5.81. So you can see that the story here is that essentially across Miami-Dade County, across every single property in Miami-Dade County, the average discount is about between a 4.5 and a 6.5%. Like very, very consistently. That is about what is being negotiated down from the original listing price for well-priced properties in the market. And that is a very good story when you know exactly how to set expectations with your clients and with your sellers, and how to negotiate what is a good price point to start off your negotiation if you're trying to buy a property somewhere in Miami-Dade County. You can actually do this at smaller levels, but it gives you a very good starting point for the conversation to have this macroeconomic level of analytics for any market that you're taking a look at. And with that, you can do pretty much, you can become pretty much an expert in any market that you're looking to analyze. Okay? So enjoy the market analytics dashboard. Peace.